Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, today topic is United Healthcare Medicare Supplement Plans. Comparing Medicare Supplement Insurance Plan. Medicare Supplement Insurance Plans, also called Medigap plans, provide help with some of the out-of-pocket expenses not paid for by original Medicare. When you go to the doctor under original Medicare, you still have expenses to pay. Medicare Supplement Insurance Plan work with your Medicare Part A hospital stay and Medicare Part B doctor visits to help lower the out-of-pocket medical cost that original Medicare doesn't cover. The Medicare supplement plans that are available to you depend on the state in which you live, and which Medicare supplements plan you choose depends on your individual needs. Use the information below to help as you consider which Medicare supplement plan is the best for you. Medicare supplement Medigap plan comparing. Only applicants first eligible for Medicare before 2020 may purchase Plan C, and FA check mark indicates the benefit is paid at 100%. Plans available to all applications. Plan N pays 100% of your Part B co-insurance except for a co-payment of up to $20 for some office visits and up to a $50 co-payment for emergency room visit that doesn't result in an inpatient admission. Care needed immediately because of an injury or a illness of sudden and unexpected onset. Benefit is 80% and beneficiaries are responsible for 20% after the $250 annual deductible with a $5,000 lifetime maximum for medically necessary emergency care received outside the US during the first 60 days of each trip. Plans K and L pay 100% of covered services for the rest of the calendar year once you meet your out of pocket yearly limit. Benefits or cost vary depending on the plan chosen. Coverage versus cost. Now that you see plan coverage side by side, it's time to consider these how much those plan impact your personal budget. Plan A and B lower benefit, higher out of pocket. Medicare supplement plan A offers just the basic benefit, while plan B covers basic benefit plus a benefit for the medical part A deductible. The medical part A deductible could be one of your largest out of pocket expenses if you need to spend time in a hospital. Plans A and B generally have higher out of pocket costs for things like skills, nursing facilities, co-insurance, Medicare Part B, excess charges, and foreign travel emergency care. Plan C, F, and G offer the most supplement coverage